Buckle up for an exhilarating journey as we plunge into the extraordinary realm of lemons and their surprising influence on your well-being. Get ready to be delighted because this video isn't your usual, ordinary chat about lemons. I'm here to guide you through an adventure like no other. Today, we're on the verge of discovering the incredible ability of lemons to rejuvenate your nervous system. Yes, it's not just about sipping lemonade on a sunny day anymore. In the first part of our video, we'll dive into the world of lemons' health benefits. And trust me, it goes way beyond just vitamin C. Then, brace yourself for part 2, where we'll unveil the jaw-dropping superpowers of lemons when it comes to safeguarding your nervous system. These little yellow fruits might just hold the key to giving your nerves a fresh lease on life. But the real excitement starts in part 3, where I spill the beans on how you can harness the maximum nerve-boosting power from these affordable drops of sunshine. So gather your lemon goodies, get comfy, and stay tuned because believe me, your nervous system is in for a treat it'll truly appreciate. Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. If you've ever been told that your neuropathy is a permanent hurdle, I'm here to guide you towards a whole new level of wellness that you may have never thought possible. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest and most accurate information on peripheral neuropathy and the effective strategies to conquer it. And don't forget to ring that bell for instant notifications whenever we release fresh content. Alright, let's dive right in. You've probably come across countless videos and blogs singing the praises of lemons, particularly their vitamin C content. And while that's absolutely true, today we're going to explore how lemons play a crucial role in supporting your nerve health and aiding in nerve protection and repair, all backed by solid research. But before we jump into the lemony goodness for your nerves, let's start with a quick recap of the overall health benefits of lemons. We all know lemons are a great source of vitamin C, right? Well, hold on to your hats, as you might be surprised by this. When it comes to vitamin C, lemons might not be your first choice. Here's why. An average lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, compare that to the go-to vitamin C champion, oranges, which give you a heartier 51 milligrams of the good stuff. But wait, there's more to the story, and it might just intrigue you. Did you know that oranges aren't even the top dogs when it comes to vitamin C richness? Now let's unveil what surpasses even the mighty oranges. Brace yourself because here come the vitamin C champs. A single green kiwi packs a punch with 64 milligrams of vitamin C. If you opt for a cup of cooked broccoli, you'll get a generous 100 milligrams of vitamin C. But the red carpet for vitamin C content is rolled out for the medium-sized red bell pepper, boasting an impressive 152 milligrams. And the crown for the ultimate vitamin C powerhouse goes to the golden kiwi, flaunting a jaw-dropping 161 milligrams of vitamin C. So, if you're looking to meet your daily vitamin C needs, the golden kiwi is the way to go. You can usually find these beautiful fruits at your local Costco or farmer's market. Alright, let's keep the lemon spotlight going and explore some of the other fantastic health benefits they offer before we dive into the thrilling part about how lemons can be your nervous system's best friend. Lemons bring a lot to the table. They're not just vitamin C superheroes. They're also a good source of potassium and vitamin B6. What's more, they contain pectin, a soluble fiber that's a real boon for your heart health, helping to lower cholesterol and improve your gut health. And let's not forget their potent antioxidant power. These antioxidants are like the guardians of your nerves, reducing your risk of developing cancer and providing rock-solid protection for your cardiovascular system. So, with all these wonderful benefits in mind, let's venture into part 2 of our journey. How exactly do lemons step up to the plate when it comes to nerve protection? Hold on tight, because this is where things get seriously exciting and mind-blowing. Lemons are packed with incredible compounds known as flavonoids, and these are like super guards for both your peripheral nerves and your central nervous system, which includes your brain and spinal cord. Let's zoom in on these remarkable compounds. First up, we've got D-limonene, often affectionately referred to as lemonade. This is the compound responsible for that delightful lemony scent we all love. Studies have shown that limonene is a real multitasker. It not only helps alleviate stress, but it also brings its antifungal and antibacterial A-game to the table. That's not all. It can give you an energy boost and put a smile on your face. But here's where it gets truly fascinating in terms of your nerves. Limonene steps in to reduce inflammatory reactions, particularly for those precious nerves. It's also a champion when it comes to enhancing the regeneration of both sensory and motor peripheral nerves. Limonene even cranks up the neurotrophic process of the nerves, which essentially means it encourages the growth of new, healthy nerve cells to replace the damaged ones. Now here's a crucial point, my fellow health explorers. I want to highlight the difference between nerve repair and nerve regeneration. When we talk about repair, it's like patching up a problem. But nerve regeneration? That's the real magic. It means damaged tissue is cleared away and replaced with fresh, healthy nerve cells. It's nothing short of amazing. The superhero compound limonene is primarily housed in the lemon's peel, and it's the star player in lemon essential oils. Oranges also have a dose of limonene in their peels, but lemons steal the limelight with a much higher concentration of this magical compound. As we venture into part 3 today, I've got a fantastic recipe waiting for you, specially designed to make the most of those lemon peels and all the limonene goodness they contain. Now, there's another essential mixed plant compound you'll find in lemons. It goes by the name Hesperadin, or sometimes Hesperadin. While there's a subtle difference between these two molecules, they're often used interchangeably, so there's no need to break out the dictionary. These flavonoids are like a fortress for your neurons, shielding them against cytotoxicity, the harmful damage that can plague nerve cells. What's fascinating is that nerve cell damage can have a variety of triggers. It might be sparked by oxidative stress or the relentless assault of free radicals. It could be due to inflammation triggered by unwelcome guests like viruses, bacteria, fungi, or parasites. Other culprits could include toxic compounds or chemicals that we encounter in our daily lives and even exposure to radiation. You might be wondering how you're exposed to radiation on a daily basis. Well, the truth is that a good portion of the country's drinking water and food supply contains some level of radiation. Additionally, various electronics in your household, including your trusty cell phone, can emit varying levels of radiation. But that's a topic for another day and perhaps another video. Back to our flavonoid hero, Hesperadin. It doesn't just shield your nerves from harmful substances like MSG. The reality is that we encounter numerous neurotoxic substances in our everyday lives. These neurotoxins can be found in medications as well as through exposure to heavy metals like mercury and lead. They lurk in certain foods and food additives. We're constantly at risk of neurotoxin exposure through pesticides, whether it's from the foods we eat or using them for pest control around our homes. These sneaky substances can also be found in cleaning products and even cosmetics. So, is it any wonder that peripheral neuropathy affects a whopping 24 million people in the US and continues to rise each year? But wait, there's more to love about this flavonoid. It doesn't just protect your nerve cells from harm. It's also a champion when it comes to promoting neuron survival and encouraging new growth in both your peripheral nerves and your central nervous system. What's truly remarkable is that it's been shown to improve mitochondrial dysfunction, a common issue in many severe cases of peripheral neuropathy. These remarkable plant compounds don't stop at just protecting your nerves. They also double as potent antioxidants, working their magic to fortify your blood vessels and ward off atherosclerosis, that pesky plaque buildup within your arteries. Now, let's turn our attention to another flavonoid in lemons known as diosmin. Research has highlighted this compound as being anti-nociceptive, which is a fancy way of saying it has the remarkable ability to reduce nerve pain and alleviate other neuropathy symptoms like numbness, tingling, burning, and intense shooting pain in your feet. Before you start squeezing lemons into your daily routine, expecting instant pain relief, it's important to understand that the effect of diosmin is more gradual. It begins by easing inflammation, and over time, you'll notice a reduction in pain. It's not a quick fix, but it's a gradual process. And here's the exciting part. Research has demonstrated that when diosmin teams up with hesperadin, like when you consume lemons, their combined effect becomes even more powerful. But there's more to the story. Clinical studies have shown that ariocatrin is a potent force in quelling oxidative stress in diabetes, a major contributor to peripheral neuropathy. In fact, research has pointed out its crucial role in taming chronic oxidative stress induced by chemicals in our food and environmental factors. Ariocatrin stands tall as a robust defender of the brain and peripheral nerves, locking arms against the destructive forces of chronic oxidative stress. Now, let's get to the really exciting part, Part 3, whipping up some fantastic lemon elixirs. After exploring all the amazing benefits that lemons offer to your nervous system and the rest of your body, I'm thrilled to share some simple and easy ways to incorporate this wonderful fruit into your diet and give your nerves some well-deserved protection. Our first elixir on the menu is the lemon shot. It's a straightforward recipe. All you need is 1 lemon, make sure it's washed, and either a citrus press or a lemon squeezer. You'll simply squeeze the juice from 1 lemon, and here's the secret tip. Drink it undiluted on an empty stomach. Don't worry, it's not a large volume, and you'll quickly get used to the zesty tang of fresh lemon juice. Taking it on an empty stomach is where you'll reap the maximum benefits, but even squeezing some fresh lemon juice into your water has fantastic health perks. Just remember that bottled, reconstituted lemon juice won't give you the same health benefits. Now, for our next powerhouse elixir, it's sometimes referred to as the lemon freeze. Here's what you'll need. 2 to 3 lemons, again, make sure they're washed, purified water, a trusty blender or food processor, and some silicone ice cube trays. Here's the scoop on how to create it. First, chop up those lemons into cubes. Then, toss them into your blender or processor with just enough water to blend into a smooth consistency. Be mindful not to overdo the water or it'll become too watery. Pour this zesty mixture into your ice cube trays and freeze it. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can add these frozen lemon cubes to your bottled water, savor them as a refreshing tea, blend them into your smoothies, and even incorporate them into soups and sauces. The possibilities are endless, and so are the benefits. Now let me introduce you to the last elixir, which happens to be one of our absolute favorites. We call it the lemon slush, and it's a top choice because it makes use of the whole lemon in generous quantities, ensuring you reap the maximum benefit of all those fabulous flavonoids I've shared with you in this video. Here's what you'll need. 1 lemon, washed, half a cup of frozen blueberries, optional but highly recommended for flavor and superfood benefits, 8 ounces of purified water, and a dash of liquid monk fruit or stevia to sweeten it to your liking. So, let's dive in. Start by chopping up the entire lemon, peel and all, and tossing it into your blender. Next, add those lovely blueberries. Trust me, they're worth it. Then, pour in your water and let the blender work its magic. This will give you a delightful, slushy-style drink. If you prefer a thinner consistency, just add more water. Sweeten the mix with monk fruit or stevia until it hits your desired level of sweetness. For maximum flavonoid goodness, it's best to enjoy this on an empty stomach. The 2 ideal times of the day are either right before bedtime, at least 2 hours after your last meal, or as a morning kickstarter. If you opt for the morning, wait at least an hour before indulging in your breakfast or that tempting morning coffee. Congratulations, fellow health enthusiasts. You've just unveiled the superhero abilities of lemons for your invaluable nervous system. Who could have guessed that these tangy little fruits would turn out to be such powerful guardians of our nerves? Whether you're kickstarting your day with a revitalizing lemon slush, chilling out with a lemon freeze, or bravely downing a lemon shot on an empty stomach, you're in for a citrus-powered boost like never before. Remember that your nerves are in for a treat and a remarkable boost. So, stay tuned for more citrusy adventures, and let's continue to squeeze the most out of life, 1 lemon at a time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for juicy insights into your health. Until next time, my friends, here's to your journey to remarkable nerve health. If you enjoyed this video, you may like my other video on how blueberries help protect your nervous system.